Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. On my channel I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I'm really excited because I get to share a 2-for-1. I would also like to mention that this video is sponsored by SkinStore.com, and I am an ambassador for the company, which means if you do use my affiliate link and or discount code, I do make a small commission from the sales. But before I go any further, don't forget you guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so as of yet, and select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. Lately it seems like that YouTube hasn't been sending notifications to many of my subscribers, so I would greatly appreciate if you guys would just reset those notification bells. This way you don't miss a beat. And if you guys do end up loving my video or not, I would appreciate if you guys would give me either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You know, any engagement does help me tremendously. And lastly, don't forget, make sure you guys enter my active giveaway. There's only a few days left to enter, so you do not want to miss out. Nearly $300 in value I'm giving away. But anyways, let's get to it and let's start this video. So I'm partnering with SkinStore.com as they have so many holiday sales right now. On top of their ongoing holiday sales, they were gracious enough to give me a 25% off discount for my subscribers and of course Instagram followers. And with my discount code Janet, just J-A-N-E-T, 5 simple letters. But the 11th is actually a very important and crucial day, as that's the last day you can actually place an order and get free standard shipping guaranteed to you by Christmas, basically. If you're looking for a great savings and something that's going to arrive by Christmas, make sure you place your order by the 11th. And I would like to mention that the SonicSmooth True Sonic Dermaplaning system was gifted to me by Michael Todd. And as I mentioned, through SkinStore.com, you're able to save 25% side-wide with some exclusions, and the 25% off will be an ongoing promotion for at least the next 12 months. Now let's get back to the video. The Michael Todd True Sonic Dermaplaning system. It's a tongue twister for some reason for me. But anyways, the planing system has actually won several awards throughout the past couple years, and honestly, and I'm going to be popping a video just so you guys are aware, after experiencing it for myself for the very first time, I believe the hype. Like, I really do. This, like, honestly, if you guys could see, my skin is so smooth. So what dermaplaning is, you guys, helps actually remove all the fuzz from our face, you know, even the invisible stuff that I did not realize I had. I really didn't. It also helps actually remove the dead skin off our faces, and all within the same process is helping to gently exfoliate your skin. This is actually really helpful for your skincare routine in general, you guys, because this will help so that your skincare products will absorb into your skin much easier and faster. Many times we don't think about it, but if you have little fuzz throughout your face or wherever, you'll have stuff that just sits on top, or it just takes a while to get through the layers, basically. Michael Todd's system retails for $99 and includes everything you would need for an 8-week supply or 8 sessions, basically. It all depends on how often you basically want to do the dermablating on your own skin. Me personally, like, I'm embarrassed now, I used to do just regular little shavers, you know what I mean? Like the little edge shavers. It's totally not the same. For all of us that thought those little cheapy razors that were supposedly dermablating our skin were the same effect, the Michael Todd SonicSmooth, boy, were we wrong. We were wrong. this, you guys, let me show you. You'll of course receive your dermaplaning tool, which is a nice gel kind of handle, and this the on and off button actually has 3 settings. So you have 1, 2, and 3. It was actually my first time ever doing an electric tool, you guys. I've always done manual dermablading. Like, what was I thinking? I should have just invested in the Michael Todd years ago versus wasting all that money. I really feel that way now, because so the really fine detailed edging right here is actually very gentle, in a sense that as long as you're not applying too much pressure on your face, and you follow the directions and the rotation it tells you to, you know, to do your face, it shouldn't really nick. And it gets all the way down, like on their skin line, and I really can't believe, you guys, how much it removed. Again, I typically do my own little manual razor, basically. I do that about every 2 weeks roughly. I'm so embarrassed. I want to pop in a picture so I can show you a close-up. Only because I couldn't catch it, like my video couldn't catch the quality, but I literally had fuzz flying everywhere. When I got to my forehead in particular, I had so much little dust particles, it looked like, that were flying everywhere. And I'm like, what is going on? Like, what is happening? I couldn't believe it. It was a dermaplaning tool. I couldn't believe it. Like, I just kept on feeling my face and my skin, and I was like, I was in complete shock and awe. Like, I literally was, because again, I've been using like a manual tool that was meant to do the same thing, but it definitely was not. I would literally have facial hair growing nearly within a day or two. And I'm Mexican, so typically it grows really fast, at least in my case. Like, my facial hair grows really, really fast and dark. And the cleanser was really, really nice, and it was hydrating. The after treatment gel that it came with was actually really nice and soothing. And for me, at least, I couldn't smell too much of a fragrance. All I smelled was kind of like aloe vera, but I'm not 100% sure if that was one of the ingredients. But it's stated to be meant for all skin types. Once it did feel a little tacky when I was first applying it, but once it dried down, I just had really nice, hydrated, glowing skin. If you're looking for an at-home spa experience without breaking the bank, and we really can't leave our houses again, I highly recommend you guys check out Michael Todd's device. Again, this will help remove all our facial hair, including fine little hairs that we can't see with the visible eye, and it will help remove all the dead skin. It will gently exfoliate your skin. This way, my skincare products would absorb much easier into my skin, and it will help your makeup too. If you wear complexion makeup right now, your skin will look snatched, for real, even if you just put simple foundation. Like, I was shocked how smooth my base looks. Like, right now as I'm filming this is about 5-6 hours, and you can still see how smooth my skin looks. I didn't get no razor bumps, no nicks, no nothing afterwards. I had no irritation. I think I had like, maybe, I can't remember, but I highly doubt it. I might have had like a little bit of redness on the side right here, but within a few minutes, the redness was gone. So for me, again, this is an incredible investment for you guys that I highly recommend, especially for all of us that are still in quarantine. All the businesses got shut down once more. This is the best way to make sure your skin is taken care of, and in the long term, you're going to be saving quite a bit of money, because I know for myself, when I do face wax, for me, it was $45 for a face wax plus 2. Let me know what you guys think about the Dermaplaning tool by Michael Todd, and if you guys have purchased it or used it in the past, I would love to know. Other than Michael Todd, you guys, there's hundreds of other brands that are available, and my 25% off does work for them. There is a few exclusions which I will list in my description down below. Also, SkinStore.com does offer Afterpay. If you need to split up your payments into 4 equal bi-weekly payments, you can easily use Afterpay, which I like using it many a times because it softens the blow, right? And if I remember correctly, shipping is free over $35. And remember, you guys, if you guys order from SkinStore.com by the 11th, be guaranteed shipping by Christmas, basically. So let me know what you guys think about the SonicSmooth by Michael Todd, and if you guys have tried it out. And also, do you guys want to see me do it live? I would love to know. If you guys want me to do it live, I will definitely do it. Again, I normally do my face once a month, so it would have to be in January, but I will definitely do it if you guys want me to. And lastly, let me know what you guys think about the video down in the comments. Again, I'm always happy to take critiques. And before I go any further, don't forget, you guys, hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And also, I would greatly appreciate if you guys gave me a big old thumbs up, or if you guys didn't like my video, a thumbs down's fine. I would love to know. If you guys tell me if you guys like my content or don't like it. You know, honesty is always the best policy, right, you guys? But yeah, thank you again so much. I appreciate you, love you, and good night.